Hi friends and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello. My name's George Agambar and I'm a UK music producer. Today we're going to keep this video really short and sweet. We're going to be having a little chat about saving and using presets and having a look at how to set them up in Logic. So if you want to learn a bit more about this, make sure you stay tuned and hit the subscribe button and notification bell for new videos every Wednesday. And things will never be the same when I hear your name since you kissed me in the rain. I've only been using presets fairly recently, but I cannot stress how much it has changed my mixing workflow. It means that when you have a vocal sound that you're happy with, or a guitar tone or a drum sound, you just quickly make a preset of it. And that means that essentially the DAW will save all of your plugins and all your plugin settings and store this information away. So then when you have a new project with a vocalist who sounds similar to someone you've worked with before, or you want to get a similar guitar tone or drum sound to what you've already done, all you need to do is load up the preset and you're good to go. Obviously, you may need to make a few small tweaks here and there accordingly, but the preset will save you so much time and is just such a great place to begin your mixing work from. Okay, so luckily for us, creating a channel strip preset in Logic is fairly easy and straightforward. Although you do have to bear in mind that you can only do this on audio tracks. As far as I'm aware, you can't save or load up presets on MIDI tracks. So let's have a look at how to do it. You go to the channel strip, and if you can't see it in your project, you simply click this button here and it will appear. You'll see that just above where the EQ is on the channel strip is a little box that says the word setting. You want to right click in the box. If you don't click in the box, then the option to save the preset won't appear. So once you've done that, you've just got to select Save Channel Strip Setting As. You also want to make sure that you don't change the place that the preset is being saved in. Then all you have to do is name your preset and click Save. Now that we have our preset saved, we need to know how we can recall it in a new project. So for this example, I've opened up a brand new Logic project entirely. Let's have a look at how to recall that preset that we've just saved. To load the preset, you need to have the selected audio track and the library open. If you can't see the library, then you just need to click this button, and again it will appear. Then you will see at the top of the library there is a section called User Channel Strip Settings. This is where your preset will be. So if we go into it, you'll see that I have two saved presets at the moment. You then select the one you like, and you will see that on the track's channel strip, your plugins and their settings have loaded up. So as I said, a really short and sweet video. But this is something that I didn't necessarily consider before, and that I think and I hope will change a lot of your mixing workflows as it did with mine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and interesting. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and if there are any other videos that you'd like to see in the future. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and I will see you again soon.